What's up, Ocean Squad? It's me, 3WP Rashad, and today I'm about to show y'all where to get the fabric from to make that do-rag. This is basically a continuation of my last video. I'm about to take y'all to a place in my city where you can buy fabric from just to show you what it looked like, but there's also a place like this in your city, at least it should be. Anyways, y'all, boost that like button for me, man. Oh yeah.
What they do is hybrid. I'ma keep on going with this music, feed my family. I'ma hit a nigga with that steamer like Sally. Gotta keep that glove on a nigga like.
Real quick, before I get into the video, I just want to talk for about 60 seconds. In my last video, I mentioned something about content copying, the recreation of content. Now in that, I kind of sounded like an asshole when I said it, and I wasn't trying to come off that way, and I most definitely was not trying to discourage people from making videos within the topic of waves or whatever, all right? The reason why I said that, because around the time when I filmed that video, and I filmed that video 6 months before I uploaded it, all right? As you could tell, it was a whole different apartment. I even had braces when I filmed that video. I wasn't trying to discourage anybody from making videos on certain topics. It was just a thing going on around where a lot of people, not just one person, I wasn't trying to single out any one person, but a lot of people was just recreating popular videos and just kind of taking a style of the video too. Now, nobody owns a topic within the subject of waves. I don't own any topics, you know what I'm saying? If you want to make a video on how to get waves fast, just because I did it 4 years ago, don't mean you can't make it, you know what I'm saying? If you get inspired by somebody to make a certain video, then make sure you give credit to that person. And yeah, man, that's really what I meant. I wasn't trying to come off as an asshole, so I wasn't trying to offend nobody. And that's it, y'all. I'm 3WP Rashad. Let's get into the video. This is gonna be a vlog style video. I gotta leave the place and I'm gonna take y'all with me. Boost that like button for me, y'all. Y'all about to learn where to get the fabric from. And even in your city, you're gonna be able to get it. Let's go. All right, Ocean Squad, so I just pulled up to the garment district, aka the fashion district, aka LA fashion district. But look, y'all, the reason why I'm making this video is because I want to show y'all a little something about life that y'all may have not learned in school, because they don't teach you nothing like this in school. So if you live in a city, you should have something like this in your area. Why I say this is because this is important for, let me just step out here. This is important for economic, just, how can I say, economic prosperity for certain, how can I say, industries. Anyways, y'all, this whole block right here is filled up with stores that sell garments. Some of these stores, they iffy, but others, they cool, you know what I'm saying? So I'm about to take a walk down here, and yeah. Quick wave check. I took it off, but I had to put it back on just for the wave check. Y'all ready? You already know what's up. 3WP Ocean Squad. Waves on swim, they stay on swim. If you stay on swim, you ain't never gotta get on swim, you feel me? But yeah, like I was saying, y'all, I'm about to take y'all on a walk up this street just to show y'all kind of what it looked like. And I'm also gonna get some camo fabric. I'm gonna try to find some, and I'm gonna make a video about how to make a camo do-rag, all right? Just cause y'all liked that last video, I'm sure y'all wanna know even more about it. Across the street. All right, Ocean Squad, so look. I talked about it on Instagram, I think, but I had ended up getting some 100% pure silk fabric, right? Because none of these do-rags that people say are silky do-rags are actually made from real silk. But I went to this place right here, Luxury Fabrics, and I got some 100% pure silk fabric, and I tried to make a do-rag out of it, and it did not work well, y'all. The do-rag, or not the do-rag, but the fabric, the silk, it was like, I don't want to say tough, but it was heavy and it didn't conform to the hair right, you know? So really, you need something that's kind of stretchy, or if it's like real soft, yeah, I know what I mean. The do-rags that I got coming, the 3WP do-rags, the new ones, because at first I got the velvet ones, right? I dropped those already. Now I'm about to drop the silky ones. Now it's not real silk because, as I just mentioned, the silk, real silk fabric is not it's not gonna work out. But look, the fabric I got for my 3WP Silky Durags is silk like, and it laid the hair down real good. Stay tuned for that, y'all. Walking up the street right now. I low-key got a spot over here already that I'm gonna try to find. So I'm gonna see if they got some, cause I got some camo fabric from them before, but I'm just gonna do it again with y'all. All right, y'all, so I'm walking up. They got some velvet fabric right here. Y'all got like a camo fabric?
I only camouflage like the
Like
wall.
Camouflage, yeah.
I only have it in cotton and fleece. Which one did you?
Could I see what it look like?
You want cotton or fleece?
You got like spandex?
No. Whoa,
Let me see, let me see.
Yes, how about David? David. I have these right here. Look like this.
Oh
one.
yeah. Oh, that's not stretchy.
Then I
enough.
got the new one.
Let me see.
This is the one they're using in Syria right now. That they're fighting right now.
Yeah.
ISIS and shit. They're using this one.
He said ISIS using
Yeah,
this.
for real. When they
I need one that's kind of stretchy, kind of like this a little bit, you know?
Yeah. How many yards were you looking for?
Just a couple yards.
Nah, I don't have it.
Nah? All right.
Sorry.
I'll check your place over there. Yeah, I gotta go to the OG place that I went to last time. So I found some camo fabric right here, and this is the kind I want because it's kind of stretchy. This one kind of stretchy too, actually. Nah, not this one. Yeah, can I get some? Can I get a yard of this one right here?
1 yard?
Yep. I just need 1 yard. Let me see. Actually, let me get a yard of this one too right here. Oh, that'll be unique. I like this one right here, Ocean Squad. This one with the roses on it, that will be a clean durag. Sheesh. Leather durags or not. It's all different type of fabrics. Last time I came through here, it was difficult for me to find the right fabric that I needed. I actually didn't find any. Huh? Red? Yeah, 1 yard of the red one? Whoops. Oh shit. When you go to a fabric store in your city, you're gonna touch the fabrics, and then if you're a real waver, you're gonna know just by touching if the fabric is gonna be good for a do-rag. You know what I'm saying? It don't take much for you to just touch something and be like, you know what, this will work out, or this won't work out. All right, Ocean Squad, so I just got 3 different type of fabrics. One camo one red type of fabric with a design on it, and then another one that is like leopard print. I'm gonna make a do-rag out of these. You know what, once I make a do-rag out of these, I might either sell them or I might just give them away for free on the website. Not on the website, but like just do a giveaway, you know what I'm saying? That's gonna be exclusive do-rag because I just made it out of scratch basically, you know what I'm saying? What's good with your Ocean Squad? So before I end this video, I just want to say, please do this. Please make do-rags if you want. That's why I'm telling y'all this information. Even if you don't live in my city, and I live in LA, for those of you who don't know, you should be able to find a garment district within your city. It's a pretty, I would say, important district to have within a city. They got all type of districts within a city that all this goes together just to help the economic statures of the city. So if you're in a developed country, even non-developed countries should have like garment areas or places where you can get textiles and all types of garments, man. This has been going on since the first civilization in like Egypt and all that, you know what I'm saying? They've been had garments and et cetera, et cetera. And yeah, man, that's the main part. Also, in my last video about how to make a do-rag, I know y'all was probably wondering like, so who won the do-rag that you said you was gonna give away? The person that won, I screenshotted their comment. I have the comment pop up right here, and his name is Tragic T. He says 3WP. It would be good to have this rag because It will be my first velvet, and green is my favorite color, and I support you. So shout out to Tragic T, you won the Durag. I'm not gonna give you the one I made by hand. I'm gonna give you one of the ones that's on for sale with the 3WP engraved into the Durag, all right? So congratulations, Tragic D. Comment here on this video and comment your Instagram so I can hit you up and tell you how to claim your prize, all right? Besides that, Ocean Squad, I hope y'all like this video. My next video is gonna be a how-to-way video. The fabric that I got from the fabric district, I don't have it with me right now, but as I said, I got a camo fabric, I got a red fabric, and then I got some cheetah fabric, all right? If you want, I'm gonna just show it on Instagram so y'all know which ones that I got. I'm gonna make those into durags and I'm gonna give them away, all right? So just stay tuned for that. Make sure you subscribe. And besides that, I'm gonna see you on my next video. Make sure you subscribe and hit the like button. If this video helped you in any type of way, yeah, be sure to subscribe and leave a comment down below saying thank you. And that's it, y'all.